Welcome to 30 Wagner Drive. This attractive detached family home is nestled in the heart of West Hill. Fabulous 3+2 bedroom bungalow on a breathtaking 40x125 Fort lot. Features a spacious living/dining area with hardwood floors. An eat-in kitchen with beautiful granite counter and ceramic backsplash. Separate entrance to fully finished basement with 2-bedroom. Recreation room and full bathroom. Easy walk to schools, shopping plaza, TTC to Subway. Short drive to 401, U of T Scarborough campus, Walmart, Morningside Park and Walking Medical Center. Extras: 2 fridge, 2 stoves, 1 gas, 2 dishwasher, built-in microwave, range hood, 2 washer, 2 dryer, all window coverings. All electrical light fixtures, furnace, hot water tank, rent, air condition, garden shed.